All Jessicurl wash day, starting off with the stimulating scalp serum. We're gonna massage our scalp. We're gonna leave this on before our shower for about an hour or so, and the oil blend on the lens as a pre-poo treatment as well to set up for a great wash. Just detangling gently and leaving it on for an hour. Then we're going in with the clarifying shampoo in the shower. We're gonna double cleanse with that. Then following it up with the deep treatment. This is a protein-free deep treatment. I'm putting a generous amount both sides of my hair, detangling, smoothing it in, and then I leave that on for about a half hour or so, depends on the time. This is rinsed and then I detangled, sectioning my hair, going in with 2 Shea conditioner as my leave-in. I do smaller sections. This is the Spiralicious Gel. It's the strongest gel that they have, and I follow up the leave-in using this. And I just keep smoothing, and this is what helps my hair be frizz-free, my curls form, and when I have time, I do smaller sections like that. Onto the next section, I re-wet it, and we're doing the same thing section by section with the Touche as the leave-in, then the Spiralicious on top. I also love that these are fragrance-free options. They have 2 lovely scents as well. So I'm just doing the same thing until my whole head is done, adding in more water, leave-in gel. It's a fantastic combo, and this is for days when I really want my hair to look the best it could look. My front hairlines give me trouble, so I always have to spend more time on them. Also very generous with the amount of product I use for the hold for my front hairline as well. We could see I'm still smoothing them out there. Then my hair is going in the towel, and I let it while I did my skincare out of the towel, shaking a little more Spiralicious on the ends just because I find that this works because the towel does remove some product. Then this is Rockin Ringlets, which is another product, and I'm using this just on top. It provides a little extra smoothing and frizz control. You could use this prior as well. It helps curl definition as well. That's what it looks like wet. And then air drying a few hours. I clipped my front pieces back to stretch them out. And now I just am over here putting more Spiralicious in before I diffuse, because diffusing for me sometimes can leave my hair a little frizzy. So even more Spiralicious helps that. We're going to break up the gel cast, and that is the oil blend. It is the same one I used as the pre-poo before going in. So there is the back of it. I'm just looking. I'm breaking up the gel cast even more, gently roping down my lens. This is how I like to do it, checking it, and then we're going to break up the cast on the roots as well in a minute. There we go, massaging it in. Of course, that feels nice as well. And I just keep going and going until I feel there's no cast left in my hair. And then here are the results. I'm very happy with it. It's shiny, it's frizz-free, it's smooth. Fantastic ingredients inside to help promote healthy hair and hair growth as well. So this is why Jessicurl is one of my favorite brands. Of course, they are cruelty-free as well, which is very important to me. I love the shine from this. And if you haven't tried Jessicurl yet, you absolutely need to.